If you keep asking yourself, should I keep going or is it time to pivot? And you've been stuck in that question for weeks, months, maybe even years, then this video is for you. Maybe you're thinking about leaving your partner, closing your business, or maybe starting something new. It can be one of the hardest decisions to make because it's not just about what to do next. It's actually about all of the time that you've already invested, the effort that you've already put in, and the fear of maybe I'll get it wrong. Most people think that the problem is, I don't know what the right choice is, but that's not what's really going on under the surface that's keeping you stuck. What is keeping you stuck is if I stay, I might waste more time, but if I pivot, I might regret the decision. So either way, it feels risky. It feels like a lose-lose situation. So instead of choosing, you don't do anything. You're thinking about it, revisiting it, trying to feel certain or ready. But staying in that loop only keeps you stuck longer. And that's actually the only option that guarantees that you lose time. The truth is, there's never a perfect choice. There's just the choice that you make and then learn from. The longer you wait for clarity, the harder it becomes to trust yourself to choose anything at all. So if you've been stuck in this question, should I keep going or pivot? Notice if you're actually trying to avoid the risk of deciding altogether. And if you're in that place right now, I actually have a free 20-minute audio reset below that will help you get out of that spiral and take one clear action step today. You don't need more time. You need to choose. And if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more insights just like this one. Thanks.